Hello students. So this is the video regarding guideline for standard 6 standard science. Okay. Your periodic test will start for 6 standard science on 21st July 2020 and it will get over on 28th July 2020 and science paper is first, which is on 21st July 2020. Now this is timetable for periodic test 1, which is already I have shared on Google Classroom as well as WhatsApp group. But still on 21st of July 6th standard science paper is there on Tuesday. Syllabus for each and every subject is given. For 6th standard science, chapter number 1, food, where does it come from? Chapter number 3, fiber to fabric, and chapter number 10, motion and measurement of distances. All these 3 lessons will come for 20 marks. So from all 3 lessons 20 mark questions will be asked. Now some important points are there which I want to discuss with you. That assessment mode is from Google Classroom. Means very first thing, all students have to join Google Classroom of each and every subject. For science, those who have not joined till this time, you have to join. Second thing, periodic test 1 will be for 20 marks for all subjects. Attendance is mandatory. The subject teacher will ensure it before the examination begins. Every day a link will be posted to ensure the attendance, and when teacher will give that link, at that time you have to fill your attendance in that link and you have to share that. Question paper will be uploaded in the classwork section in Google Classroom as an assignment through Google Classroom only. So you should be, very first thing, you should join to Google Classroom first, and in classwork section in assignment you can get your question paper. You can see over there. It will be uploaded 15 minutes prior to the examination. Before examination start, 15 minutes we will upload the question paper. In that, students will get 10 minutes reading time. So in that, after that you will get 10 minutes for reading time and can start sort any issues related to connectivity. If connectivity is not there, you are not able to see within that time, you have to quickly call to teacher, otherwise you can give message on WhatsApp. But it's very mandatory or necessary that you have to tell your teacher that I am having connectivity problem, network problem. Next, once the paper will be uploaded in the Google Classroom, subject teacher shall notify students through WhatsApp group. Now when teacher will upload that question paper in the Google Classroom, at that time teacher will give you notification or instructions on WhatsApp group that yes, I have uploaded the question paper, you have to see that. Students need to solve question paper in a separate notebook only. Students have to solve that question paper in a separate notebook. As in the meeting also, earlier meeting, it was discussed all the things. So you have to make a separate notebook for that. After completion of paper, it has to be properly scanned and sent in PDF format through classwork session only. Just like you are sending your homeworks, like that only, nothing else. You have to take the photo, or you have to take the photos, then you have to scan through Cam Scanner or other scanning app, and after that make a single PDF of all that pages for science, and you have to send it through classwork section only. If you will send through classwork section only, then teacher will be able to check that paper. Okay. Next, after the exam, 15 minutes shall be given to upload your work in Google Classroom. Only 15 minutes will be given to upload your work. Means after writing paper, you have to upload it to the teacher for checking purpose. At that time, you have to upload it. 15 minutes are given to the uploading part. Students, I want to tell you how to write paper on a notebook. First of all, very clear instruction, and listen carefully that you have to write your full name. Students don't have habit to write their full name. So first of all, write your full name. Okay, here this side you can see page number. So write page number for science, page number 1, page number 2, whatever you will require, that page number you have to write down. Then you have to write very stick to that instructions, that you have to write your full name, you have to write your class, 6th standard, division, in which division you are, it's very important. If you are in A division, you have to write over there A. If you are in B division, write over there B. If you are in C division, write over there C. Now subject is science, so you have to write science. Then test name, means this is periodic test 1, so you have to write periodic test 1. Date, our science paper will be on 21st of July, so we will write 21 July 2020. Okay, now let's coming towards our writing part. Now make 2 margins on this page. In one margin teacher will give marks, and in another margin you will write question number. No need to write questions, only write question number properly, copy it down from question paper properly. Then if it is in Roman number, write Roman number only. If it is in digit, write digits only. Okay, write answers only, no need to write questions. Don't waste your time in writing questions. No need to write questions, only question numbers are important. Okay, and answers, whichever you are writing. And write answers according to keywords, key points. If definition is there, write in proper sentence. If answers are there, write properly. Question number 2, whatever the answer is there, write that. No need to write questions. Okay. Now important points I would like to discuss with you. All the students shall write the paper in a new notebook. Make new notebook to write paper, which shall be utilized only for examination purpose. Means keep it only for examination purpose. Don't write other things in that. For every test, they have to enter all the details such as name, class, division, subject, test, name, date, etc. For each and every subject, it is important. For science, on 21st July, you have to write your full name, your class, your division, your subject, test name, period, test 1 and date. It is compulsory, etc. Leave one page blank for teacher's remarks. Proper order of the pages will be while scanning can be taken care by the students while submitting. When you are submitting your answer paper in the Google Classroom through classwork section, at that time scan properly page number 1, then page number 2, then page number 3, whatever your pages are there, scan according to sequence. It will be better for you as well as me. Students should maintain the index of the test notebook. You should maintain the index also. So maintain proper index in the test notebook. First paper is science. So write 21st July 2020 science periodic test 1. Then whichever the next paper will be there, write that date and write the name of the subject. So in this way you have to maintain the index also. This time we are going to include parents support for the invigilation. So parents will be invigilating. If students will have queries, then can interact with the teacher using WhatsApp or by calling the teacher. So if you have any connectivity problem, if you have any doubt, so you can call teacher, either you can write your doubt on the WhatsApp group. If needed, doubt clearing sessions shall be conducted one day prior to the exam. So don't worry, for science we have prepared revision worksheets, 2 revision worksheets also. You will be getting that revision worksheets videos, teacher's video at home. We will be taking lesson number 1, lesson number 3 and lesson number 10 revision also, and you will get lesson number 1 and 3 video also at home. Okay, and during online sessions also you can clear your doubts. You will get the timetable for online session also, means how many online sessions will be there for science soon. If needed, doubt clearing session shall be conducted, means 1 hour we will keep before examination for doubt session. The link and the timing shall be shared by the respective teachers, means particularly that teacher will give you the link and the timings. Okay, for online means when you will give test, at that time if any difficulty occurs, you can consult to that particular teacher. So on 21st of July, science paper will be uploaded by me, means Sandhya Chaudhary. And if you are having any doubt or queries or any connectivity issues, problems, network, so you can consult to that particular teacher, means to me. You can call, either you can put on WhatsApp. You may also contact the following exam in charges for any sort of difficulty regarding this examination. Contact numbers are along with you, and of course for 6th standard science teacher, contact numbers are also there in the common groups. So don't worry about the problems, you can share with teacher at that time also. Timings means question paper uploading from teachers, and teachers will upload till 10:15. From sharp 10:15 you have to start your work. Notification to the students through WhatsApp means I will give you notification that I have uploaded the question paper, and you should be ready. Then reading time will be 10:20 to 10:30, means 10 minutes reading time will be there. Writing time, you can start your writing from 10:30 till 11:10 only. And answer paper uploading means whatever you will write the answers, uploading time will be till 11:25 am. So keep watch on the timings also. Now how to use Google Classroom and guideline for students. There are two ways by which you can see the question paper. One means you have turned on the notification, you shall directly receive the notification in your mobile phone, or you can click on stream and then click on the assignment to download it. On desktop, after clicking the assignment, you can see the corresponding image. Click on add or create your work. Here you can click. After clicking on add or create, click on file. Here file is there. So you have to click so that to upload the file. To submit assignment, click on select files from your devices as encircled, then click on uploads as like you're submitting the homeworks like that. After successfully uploading the file, you can see the following windows as shown in image. But children, just please take care while uploading. Please rename that if you are doing with cam scanner. So after scanning, you have to rename that file, just your name and pt1. Write your name on that, rename that. Download cam scanner app from Play Store or any scanning device, scanning app. Scan your file or homework as shown in image and click on PDF. All images are combined in one PDF, just like you are uploading your homework in single PDF, all the pages. Share the PDF to classroom, but before sharing you have to rename that with child's name, student's name. Click on attach to assignments. Go to assignments and click on attach. Click on respective assignments and submit as per the previous procedure. As like you can see in the picture that one photo is there. Then after scanning, you can make it a single PDF file. Your pages will be 2, 3 and more pages also there. So make it a single PDF file, rename that, and you can share via Google Classroom. Okay. Thank you children. Best of luck.